Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1, question number 6. The question is, write the smallest digit on the blanks to make the given numbers divisible by the digit given on the left hand side. On the left hand side, what happened? The number by which it has to be divisible, the numbers are given, and on the right hand side, the numbers are there and one digit and blanks are there, and we have to fill those blanks. Now, for a number to be, do we know the test of divisibility by 5? What is the test of divisibility by 5? The last digit should be either 0 or 5. Now here the numbers given is 7164 dash, 32197 dash, 4569 dash. So the smallest number can be, it will be 0 only, because if the digit is 0, then that number will be divisible by 5. Here also it will be 0 and here also it will be 0, because among 0 and 5 which is smaller? 0 is smaller, so here 0 will be there. Now the next, for a number to be divisible by 3, what is the rule? That the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Here 1 blank 4 3 is there. Okay, first find the sum of digits. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. Okay, now we have to fill here the smallest number. Okay, so if to the sum of digits, if we add 1, it becomes 9. So if I put 1 here, then what will be the sum of digits? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9. Then that 9 is a multiple of 3, so it will be divisible by 3. Now 4 7 dash 0 5. Find sum of the digits. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16. Now 16, we can make it 18 by adding 2 to it, the smallest number to be added. So if I put 2 here, then what happens? The sum of the digit? 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 5 18. 18 is a multiple of 3 and that number becomes divisible by 3. Now 3 1 6. Find sum of the digit. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So the smallest number I can put is 2. If I insert 2, then the sum of the digits become 12. 12 is a multiple of 3 and that number becomes divisible by 3. Now see the next one, 6. Okay, for a number to be divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now here, see this number. See the ones digit here. Ones digit is 8. That means this number is divisible by 2. That I am sure. Now, for a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So find the sum of the digits. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14. So if I add 1, if I put 1 here, so now the sum of the digits become 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus 8 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and it will be divisible by 3. So this is the smallest number I can insert so that the number becomes divisible by both 2 and 3 and hence divisible by 6. Now 9 blank 5 2. Find the sum of the digits. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16. Okay. Now since the last digit is 2, so this number is divisible by 2, that I am sure. Now when I found the sum of the digits, I got it 16. So I have to make it divisible by 3. So what I will insert here, I will make this, in order to make the sum 18, I will put 2 to it. Now what happens? Find the sum of the digits. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 2 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So if I insert 2, it becomes divisible by both 2 and 3 and hence divisible by 6. Now 7 to 1. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Now here the last digit, if I put 0 here, then what happens? 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. This will be divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So 0 is we will rule out. Now if I put 2 here, then what happens? 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12. Now if I put 2 here, it will be divisible by both 2 and 3. So 2 is the smallest digit inserted. Okay. Now for a number to be divisible by 4, what is the rule? The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, or if the last 2 digits is 0 0, then also that number is divisible by 4. Now 2 4 6 2. What is the smallest number? So last 2 digits becomes 2 and this. So if I put 0 here, this is the smallest number. So 20 gets divisible by 4. So and that number becomes divisible by 4. Now 9 1 dash. So what last 2 digits, if I put 0 here, 10 is not divisible by 4. So if I put 2 here, then the last 2 digits is 12. 12 is divisible by 4. So this is the blank will be filled by number digit called 2. Now 670. See 0, then what happens? 0, 0. If the last two digits are 0, 0, 0, 0 is divisible by any number. So this number gets divisible by 4. Now next, 1, 2, 3, 2 dash. To test whether this number is divisible by 8. We have to see whether when the last three digits are divisible by 8. So, if I put 0 here, first check, if I put 0 here, the last three digits become 320. 320 and in 8 table 32, 8 4s are 32, yes, the last three digits gets divisible by 8. So, if I put 0, then that number gets divisible by 8. Now see this one. The last 5, 9, dash, 1, 6. Now the last is the last three digits. Dash, 1, 6. इसमें smallest क्या होगा? If the smallest number, if I put 0 here, so last three digits क्या? What it will be? 0, 1, 6. If I avoid 0, 16 is there. 16 is a multiple of 8, and that the whole number gets divisible by 8. Okay. Now this one 4, 6, 4, 2. So what I insert so that this number gets divisible by? Let us start by 0. If I insert 0, 8 5s are 40, 20. 20. Then 420 is not divisible by 8. This number 420 not get divisible by 8 if I insert 0. Now I will try the next. I will put 2 here. Okay. Now it becomes 422. 8 5s are 40, 22. 22 again is not divisible by 8. So 2 is also ruled out. Now I will try the next number. If I put 4 here, then what happens? 424. 8 5s are 48. Then yes, 424 gets divisible by 8. So what happened? The digit is filled by that blank is filled by the digit called 4. So I have tried 0 also, I have tried 2 also, and then I came to conclusion that if I put 4, then the last three digits get divisible by 8. Now to find how to fill the blank, whether to find whether this number is divisible by 9. What is the test of divisibility by 9? That the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Now find the sum of digits. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14. So here what I should insert here the least digit. If I put 4 here, then what happens? 4 plus 5 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 6 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. Okay. Now here find the sum of the digits. 7 to 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 4 21. 21. So if I insert 6 here, then what happens? Now add the sum of the find the sum of the digits. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 4 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. So 6 is the smallest number which I can insert. Now 3, 4, 6, blank 8. Find the sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 21. Again if I put 6 here, the sum of the digits becomes 27 and the number gets divisible by 9. In this way you have to fill the blanks. I will send it as a PDF. Write down this question in your book. Exercise 4.1, question number 8a. Which is the smallest 3-digit divisible by 4? Now first write the smallest 3-digit. Which is the smallest 3-digit? Now smallest 3-digit is 100. Okay. What is smallest 3-digit number? Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay. Now smallest is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4 because last two digits. Because last two digits is what? Last two digits is 0 0 and 0 0 is divisible by 4. So this number 100 is divisible by 4. So the answer is 100. Now which is the greatest 5-digit number divisible by 9? So first write down the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. Okay. Now what is the greatest 5-digit number? 9 9 9 9 9. 5 times 9 is the greatest 5-digit number. Now how to find whether this number is divisible by 9? What we will be doing? We will be finding the sum of digits. Find the sum of digits. Okay. When we find the sum of the digits, what it will be? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. That means 5 times 9 it is. 9 5s is 45. 45 is a multiple of 9. 45 is a multiple of 9. So this number 99999 is divisible by 5. Divisible by 9. So 999,999 is divisible by by 9. Okay, in this way we are going to solve. One more C also we are going to solve. C1 I am solving. Question number 8, C. Which is the greatest 4-digit number divisible by 6? Now first write the greatest 4-digit number. Now what is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 999. Okay. Now is to make it divisible by 6, what to first see the it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Now see the ones digit. Ones digit is 9. Is it this number will be divisible by 2? No, because we know that numbers have to be ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this number is not divisible by 2. Okay. And is this number divisible by 3? If you find the sum of the digits, what it will be? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, it becomes 4 times 9. That means it becomes 36. Yes, it is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 2. Now in order to solve this one, what we are going to do is first divide 9999 by 6. So what you would be, 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6, 3 you get, 9, then bring down this 9, 6 6 are 36, then again you bring down this 9, it becomes 6 6 are 36, again you bring down this 9 and it becomes 36 and the remainder left is 3. Now when I divided it, I found that the remainder left is 3. Okay, so to make this 9999 divisible by 6, what we have to do is subtract remainder left. Remainder left is equal to 3. Okay, now subtract the greatest 4-digit number minus 3. If what you are going to give? 9996. And this number will be divisible by 6. Okay, so this is, and this number is divisible by 6. So in this way we will solve the C. That means first divide the greatest 4-digit number by 6. Whatever remainder will be left, subtract that from the given number, greatest 4-digit number. And what we got? The 9996. And this number is the least greatest 4-digit number which will be divisible by 6. In this way you are going to solve. Now A, B, C I have solved and I will send it as PDF also. Question number exercise 4.1 D, E, F are omitted. It's not. It will not come for the examination.